Welcome to Dashcam Nigeria. On today's episode on our road experience, we will be showing you the activities of cattle and cattle rearers, especially in the Federal Capital Territory of our beloved country Nigeria, has been captured by our Dashcam and also received by some of our subscribers. These activities of the cattle and cattle rearers on our main roads can lead to damage of vehicles, major accidents, and even loss of lives. We will be showing you videos has been captured. Here you can see that there is a little traffic jam in the front there. You can see the bike man trying to dodge the cattle, and these cattle are all over. You can see one trying to run into this vehicle. That's very bad. Again, you can see that cattle and tourists are struggling on this main road. So even the cattle are about damaging their vehicles. You can see them crossing over to the other part of the road. Too bad. So on this road you can see cattle on the side of the road, and if you look further you can also see that there is a little hold up too, and this hold up is caused by the movement of cattle and cattle rearers across the road, which has made it difficult for motorists to be able to pass freely. This menace has been on the increase on daily basis, especially in Abuja. So you can see that vehicles are almost stuck in the middle of the road, and you can see the cattle there trying to struggle on the road with these vehicles. These cattle here are also the ones causing hold up on this road. You can see that all the vehicles are slowing down. The vehicles are slowing down so as not to hit these cattle and the cattle rearers. So I'm wondering what has happened to the anti-grazing law in this country, Nigeria. I'm wondering if this situation is like this in the Federal Capital Territory, what then could be happening in other states of Nigeria. I'm calling on the Minister of FCT and the concerned authorities to act on this fast. This is one of the reasons why there is farmers header clashes in Nigeria, which has led to loss of many lives. Please, open grazing should be prohibited and controlled. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.